Denver's Northeast metro area is experiencing unprecedented growth, and its wastewater facilities are reaching capacity and facing new environmental regulations. In response, the Metro Wastewater Reclamation District embraced a program to establish a new 24 million gallon per day wastewater treatment facility known as the Northern Treatment Plant. A vital component of this program is the new 6.8-mile South Platte Interceptor, which will collect flows from 7 of the district's connecting agencies and convey them to the plant.
The beauty of the South Platte Interceptor is it's a wastewater superhighway that's virtually invisible to the public. It's about 7 miles long, goes from Thornton to Brighton, and it collects the flows from the member agencies and allows them to consolidate some of their wastewater infrastructure. And that's good from a cost perspective, because in some cases we're eliminating pumping, and it's good for the environment too, because in other cases these facilities were struggling to meet either current or upcoming discharge regulations.
HDR and the district worked creatively with project stakeholders to complete the Denver area's largest interceptor project in more than 30 years. The South Platte Interceptor, ranging from 30 to 78 inches in diameter, starts at the district's Brancher Gulch Left Station in Thornton and follows the South Platte River north to the site of the district's plant in Brighton, Colorado.
As far as impacts to the public, the district went out of their way to minimize impacts both during construction and after construction. The alignment was strategically placed so that we avoided sensitive areas. At major road crossings, we tunneled under those to not disrupt traffic. We tunneled under the South Platte River to not disrupt the river. The design included odor control, so we would minimize that type of impact. And in some areas, maintenance access to the pipeline also serves as recreational trails for the public to use.
To avoid large-scale environmental and public impacts, the design team found solutions ranging from subtle alignment adjustments to using tunnels that spanned up to 3,730 feet in length. The project required a sustained commitment to collaboration between the project team and the stakeholder community. The resulting wastewater superhighway will accommodate 104 million gallons per day at build-out capacity and has the potential to serve the needs of 7 of the district's connecting agencies by replacing aging conveyance systems with long-term, visionary infrastructure that will serve the Denver metro area for decades.
I was impressed by the way the contractor and the client and the engineer all worked together. We had these strategic partnering sessions that went above and beyond anything that I'd ever done on a project before. And because of that, a lot of problems were solved at the lower level instead of escalating up higher. And it was just a more efficient process that way because we formed those relationships through this partnering process that we went through.